In front of me is NUBIA Focus Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by launching one of your apps you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. When you're ready, click on this icon of two rectangles at the top right corner and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!